Did you know that you can earn money online completely free with zero investment? With this method, I will show you that it's possible, and it's actually very easy. I will show you several methods to make money in just one application. Believe me, I've been searching for an app like this for months, and I finally found it. So, be patient and stay till the end of the video so you don't miss important parts. Let's start with making money. The applications is called Repocket, and this is the most paid application for selling your unused internet. For the start and first step, you need to download application from link in description. If you downloaded from the link you will get bonus of $5. So with this application you have several ways to make money online, and the first one is easiest one. You just need to have your mobile phone and stable internet connection to be able to earn money. The earnings depends on how much gigabyte you will sell. On official Repocket website you can calculate how much you can earn. With this method you can earn up to $600 per month. Not bad at all. Let's go to second method. In this method we have games and offers. With this method you can earn up to $3 per day. You can earn much more if you have time to play games and do tasks. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's move on. In this specific game I already made $1 in just few hours. The main goal is to complete levels. Every level you complete your payment will be bigger. Here is short gameplay of this interesting game. Apart from this game, there are also many similar and interesting games here that bring in a lot of money. This was the second method. Let's move on. In this method we have referral program. That's passive income like the first one. You need to invite your friends or family with your link, and you will receive 10% of their earnings. This is one of the best and most interesting method, because we are earning with Discord server. You are asking how? It's easy. You need to be Repocket member on Discord server and participate in every week giveaways and games. Let's see how is that works. Let's start with instructions. How to participate in games. On Discord you will find room with name giveaways. In that room administrator of Discord server will notify everyone when will game starts. Last game was super fun and I won $10. The rules from last game was simple and easy. Administrator was sending 4 pictures with same association on one word. And if you guess the first word, you get $10. Type in the comments words that you think are associated with these 4 pictures. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.